Welcome to TProject. Purchase USDT using a credit card. To purchase TTTU tokens, you first need to acquire USDT. The easiest way to do this is by purchasing with a credit card. To do this, log into the exchange's application or website. Go to Wallets, then click on the Buy Crypto button. Select the Debit/Credit Card or Express tab and enter the desired amount in your preferred currency. Take into account the minimum purchase amount, typically $10 or €10. Add and confirm your credit card details, then click the Buy Now button. Note that exchanges sometimes restrict withdrawals of purchased crypto for 24 to 48 hours after the purchase. After a successful purchase, you will see the purchased amount in USD in your wallets.